I had a birthday yesterday, and I've been doing this thing every year where I do push-ups, and I got to do one push-up for every year that I'm old. Now, I've turned 63, and I got to do 63 push-ups without stopping.
Wow.
You know, my dad said, getting old is not for the weak at heart. Okay? Well, it's not for the weak in muscles either if you challenge yourself to do a push-up for every year you're ill. All right, so I'm going to do it on this table for you guys, and I can't tell you if I can do 63 push-ups because I don't do a regular 63 push-ups because this business is so stressful. I can't work out every day. All right, here we go. 63 push-ups. Are you going to count them, Amanda?
Yeah, I'll
All right,
count them.
here we go. On the conference table, you can see our massive empire that we have out there. Here we go. You ready to count them?
Ready?
Man, I gotta succeed.
63, Randy.
I gotta
That's a
succeed.
lot.
Let me do my yoga. I did my yoga this morning. Here we go. Man, getting older is hard, isn't it?
I couldn't do it. No way.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Yep.
Go. 1. 10. 20.
30.
40.
40.
God. No. 50.
Oh my God.
It's getting hard.
It's getting
50.
hard. Come on, Randy. You got it.
51. 52. 3. 4. 55. 56.
Come on, you got to do it.
11.
You almost got it. Almost. Come on. You almost got it.
59.
59. Come on, come on, come
Ah.
on. 1, 2. Last one, Randy.
Yeah.
Last one. Come on. Last one. Yeah.
Ah.
Oh, yeah. You got
Ah.
it. 63.
You know, 6 months ago I did 83
Oh, my gosh.
non-stop. That tells you how I haven't been working out. 63.
63 at 63 years old. Wow.
Thank you, everybody. Come buy a house from us.
Come on,